Right now, Rylie and I are going in the pet store, and we're gonna take a look at stuff. Right? We'll go take a look. Looking at all the pets. There's the birds again. You see the birds? Huh? Rylie, look. Look at all the pretty birds. The place is next door where we get her ball. Rylie doesn't need any toys, but right now she likes looking at all the animals. So let's go check them out, baby girl. Looks like the ferrets are sleeping. Ooh, what's over there? Rylie, look. See the ferrets are sleeping? Look, Rylie, look. Those are mice. Ooh, yuck. I don't really like mice. Do you like mice? These are more birds. Oh, look at those. Huh. You like them? Ooh, what's over here? Look up there. There's a guinea pig. Look. See the guinea pigs? Wow. These are pretty. Huh, baby girl? Eek. What's over here? Yuck. I never understood why anyone would want rats as pets, but they are for sale. Oof. Alright, we don't like those. I'm sorry, rats, but we don't. Aww. Okay. These are hamsters. You see? Look, the little hamsters over there. Those are cute. Oh, Rylie, look. Look, 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 look. Oh, he was just running. Oh, cute. Look. Oh, how adorable. He's getting his little exercise. So cute. Aw. Very nice. And the ferrets are sleeping, so we're not going to bother them. And he's still running away. How cute. Like that. That was fun. Huh, baby girl?